Asterisk unlocking success. How agencies secure 5 to 50 clients per month with 100% guaranteed results. In the competitive landscape of business, agencies constantly seek innovative strategies to attract clients and expand their clientele. Amidst this quest for success, one agency stands out, offering a compelling promise: 5 to 50 clients per month with a 100% guarantee. But what sets them apart? Let's delve into the strategies and insights behind their unparalleled success. Understanding the agency approach. This agency success is rooted in a multifaceted approach that combines cutting-edge marketing techniques with a deep understanding of client needs. Here's how they do it. 1. Tailored marketing campaigns. Instead of adopting a one-size-fits-all approach, the agency crafts tailored marketing campaigns for each client. By understanding the unique challenges and objectives of every business, they create targeted strategies that resonate with their target audience. 2. Data-driven insights. Leveraging the power of data analytics, the agency mines valuable insights to optimize campaign performance continually. From identifying emerging trends to refining audience segmentation, data-driven decision-making ensures maximum ROI for their clients. 3. Strategic partnerships. Collaborating with complementary businesses and influences amplifies the agency reach and credibility. Strategic partnerships open doors to new opportunities, allowing the agency to tap into untapped markets and expand its client base exponentially. 4. Transparent communication. Building trust is paramount in client relationships. The agency prioritizes transparent communication, keeping clients informed every step of the way. By fostering open dialogue and providing regular progress updates, they instill confidence and loyalty in their clients. 5. Performance-based guarantee. Perhaps the most enticing aspect of their offering is the performance-based guarantee. Unlike traditional agencies that make vague promises, this agency puts its money where its mouth is. With a commitment to delivering results, they offer a guarantee of 5 to 50 clients per month, backed by a proven track record of success. Free consultation. Breaking down barriers. To further remove barriers to entry, the agency offers free consultations to prospective clients. This allows businesses to explore their services without any financial commitment, providing a risk-free opportunity to assess the agency capabilities in alignment with their goals. Additional fee consultation. Investing in success. While the initial consultation is complimentary, the agency also offers additional fee-based consultations for clients seeking more in-depth analysis and personalized recommendations. These consultations delve deeper into the client's specific needs, offering tailored solutions and strategic guidance to drive sustainable growth. Contact us today. Ready to unlock your business's full potential? Contact the agency today at +91 9864 170343 and 9,864,855,058 to schedule your free consultation and take the first step towards achieving your goals. With a proven track record of success and a commitment to excellence, this agency is your trusted partner in driving tangible results and realizing your vision for success. इंट्रोडक्शन इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। ग्लोब English Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing Ki Duniya. I am Durlab Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
Thanks for watching. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Asterisk building a digital marketing empire in 2024, riding the wave of a 1,100 crore rupees on demand industry asterisk. In the fast-paced digital landscape of 2024, the demand for innovative marketing solutions has never been greater. As businesses navigate the complexities of an increasingly online world, the need for strategic digital marketing partners has skyrocketed, propelling the industry to unprecedented heights. Against this backdrop, establishing a digital marketing agency presents a lucrative opportunity to tap into a thriving 1,100 crore rupees market. Let's explore how you can capitalize on this burgeoning industry and carve out your niche in the digital realm. Understanding the landscape. The rise of digital marketing ***. With the proliferation of e-commerce, social media, and mobile technology, traditional marketing strategies have evolved to meet the demands of a digital-first audience. Today, businesses of all sizes recognize the importance of establishing a robust online presence and engaging with consumers across various digital channels. From search engine optimization, SEO, and social media marketing to email campaigns and content creation, the scope of digital marketing encompasses a vast array of tactics aimed at driving brand awareness, customer acquisition, and revenue growth. Key trends shaping the industry To thrive in the competitive digital marketing landscape, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve and leverage emerging trends to your advantage. Some of the key trends shaping the industry in 2024 include 1. AI-powered marketing Artificial intelligence AI continues to revolutionize the way marketers analyze data, automate tasks, and personalize customer experiences. By harnessing the power of AI-driven insights, agencies can deliver hyper-targeted campaigns that yield impressive results. 2. Voice search optimization With the rising popularity of voice-activated devices and virtual assistants, optimizing content for voice search has become a priority for businesses seeking to enhance their visibility in search engine results. 3. Interactive content Interactive content such as quizzes, polls, and augmented reality experiences captivates audiences and fosters deeper engagement with brands. Incorporating interactive elements into marketing campaigns can differentiate your agency and drive memorable interactions with consumers. 4. Influencer marketing Collaborating with influencers who align with your client's brand values can amplify reach and credibility, particularly among younger demographics who value authenticity and peer recommendations. 5. Privacy compliance As data privacy regulations become increasingly stringent, prioritizing compliance with laws such as GDPR and CCPA is crucial for maintaining consumer trust and avoiding costly penalties. Seizing the opportunity, establishing your digital marketing agency Armed with a deep understanding of industry trends and consumer behavior, you're well positioned to launch your digital marketing agency and capitalize on the burgeoning market demand. Here's how to get started. 1. Define your niche Identify a specific niche or industry vertical where you can offer specialized expertise and tailored solutions. Whether it's e-commerce, healthcare, or SaaS, carving out a niche allows you to differentiate your agency and attract clients seeking domain-specific knowledge. 2. Build your team Assemble a team of talented professionals with diverse skill sets, including digital marketers, content creators, designers, and data analysts. By fostering a collaborative environment where creativity thrives, you'll deliver exceptional results that exceed client expectations. 3. Forge strategic partnerships Cultivate relationships with complementary service providers such as web developers, PR agencies, and analytics platforms. Strategic partnerships can expand your service offerings and provide clients with comprehensive solutions to their marketing challenges. 4. Offer free consultations To attract prospective clients and showcase your expertise, offer free consultations where you can assess their needs, discuss potential strategies, and demonstrate the value your agency brings to the table. Don't forget to prominently display your contact information, including your free consultation number, to make it easy for clients to reach out. Contact us today for your free consultation Ready to take your business to new heights with strategic digital marketing. Contact us today at +919864170343 and 9,864,855,058 to schedule your free consultation and discover how our expertise can drive tangible results for your brand. With a passion for innovation and a commitment to excellence, we are here to help you navigate the digital landscape and unlock your full potential. इंट्रोडक्शन इंडिया हिंदी। नमस्ते दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे YouTube चैनल डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में। मैं हूं दुर्लभ साकिया और मैं एक 7 साल के अनुभव से भरपूर डिजिटल मार्केटिंग विशेषज्ञ हूं। इट कंपनियों में काम करने का भी अनुभव रखता हूं और यहां हूं ताकि आपको डिजिटल मार्केटिंग की दुनिया में लेटेस्ट टिप्स, ट्रिक्स और समाचार मिल सकें। ग्लोब ** English ***. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Digital Marketing Ki Duniya. I am Durlab Sakia, a seasoned digital marketing professional with 7 years of experience. Bringing insights from my experience in IT companies, I am here to share the latest tips, tricks, and news from the world of digital marketing with you.
Thanks for watching. नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आप सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूं जिन्होंने मेरे YouTube वीडियो को देखा और पसंद किया। मैं बहुत खुश हूं कि आप लोगों को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया। यह मेरे लिए बहुत मायने रखता है। मैंने इस वीडियो को बनाने में बहुत मेहनत की है। मैं चाहता था कि यह एक ऐसा वीडियो हो जो लोगों को कुछ नया सिखाए और उन्हें कुछ रोमांचक सिखाए। मुझे खुशी है कि मैंने ऐसा कर पाया। मैं आप सभी से अनुरोध करता हूं कि कृपया मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें। मैं आपके समर्थन के लिए बहुत आभारी हूं। धन्यवाद।